Okay, hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener, and I want to show you a couple of trees that we put down. We went ahead and put down the Santa Rosa plum. We had the soursop down there, and it took a little damage, so we decided to put it in a pot and decided to keep all our stone fruits on one side. Of course, that's in line with the Scarlet Beauty, and then that's in line with the Bruce plum right there. Of course, you already know I have my persimmons in this area, and I'm going to be mulching all around this area right here. Okay, and you also see the nectarine. She's sitting there. So the next ones we're going to put there are going to be this right here, pineapple pear. She's going to go in there. And, well, this one, actually, yeah, one is a Kefir pear. That's actually the Kefir pear, and this is the pineapple pear. This is the pineapple pear right here. And this is the Kefir, the white rock scotch switched. Yeah, because my pineapple pear is bigger. So that'll be the next stone fruit that I put into the ground. Okay, and we have the strawberry guava trees. Those were also put into the ground. Okay, because they were root bound. I had just changed the pots actually in about August, and they just started growing so quickly. So they were root bound, even though they were in bigger sized pots. They were in 18-gallon pots. And I decided, instead of going back and forth, since these trees seem to be growing as quickly as that guava tree over there, that's only 1.5 years old, I decided I'm going to go ahead and put these in the ground right here. Okay, so we're starting to narrow down a lot of our fruits to specifically which ones we actually want to eat versus just having a lot of tropical fruit trees just to be having them. I actually want fruit on them, and so we're narrowing down. We like mangoes, we like citrus, we like guava, and we like stone fruit and persimmons. And so we're narrowing, a lot of our fruit down. Of course, I got a sapodilla over there. So we're narrowing down a lot, which is opening up more space in our backyard. But yeah, basically that's what we're doing. So we can concentrate more on, what we'll actually eat versus me collecting fruit trees just to have tropical fruit trees. Some of them which I've never heard of. So some didn't make it, and I guess it was meant to be for this frost. And we may have another frost. But the ones that did make it, the loquats and the kumquats and stuff, they made it. They will stay. So yeah, so that's our plan. We're gonna put 2 more stone fruit down. And we'll be waiting for it to get warmer to actually put any other trees down. So I will be moving that blueberry patch that's over here, right there in the middle. You see with these cylinder blocks. I will be moving this blueberry patch right here. I'll be moving the blueberries to the side because a lot of those pots are obviously going to be disappearing because of what we're putting in the ground, and that's opening up space. So I'm going to put my blueberries on the side of the fence on the sides of the house, and I'm also going to be taking these pineapples and moving them out and putting them on the side of the house also, so I can get them ready, this whole area ready for watermelon. So it's going to be watermelon going in this area and cantaloupe. And I want to centralize all of that in this one spot because I grew watermelon before. It didn't grow too big because I tried to grow it in a self-made tower that I built out of big Tupperwares. So this time I'm going to give them a different space right here. So the garden is actually opening it up a lot more. Okay, so I'll bring you back when we finish putting some more fruit trees in the ground, and I'll keep you updated. I hope you have a nice day. And excuse all this noise that you hear. Somebody building something. And I'm a little under the weather, been a little sick. So I'm back outside again, taking it slow. As you can see in my other video with me helping my husband with the shoveling. Okay, so I hope you're having a nice day and enjoying your time. And I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.